Hello viewers, this is IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you learn how YouTube recommends content. Recommendations are based on few different things and your audience is main force behind them. Okay, now go for next. Do your videos stand out to people? People are a viewer that does not know your channel. What should you click on? That means thumbnail is the key point for a YouTube video viral. You have to create an attractive thumbnail for your YouTube video viewers. Then, do people choose your videos? Every 100 times that your thumbnail are shown, viewers choose them one time. Many popular videos are chosen up to 10 times in the first day. Do your videos keep people watching? That means which percentage of your video people watch? Next, do people enjoy your videos? Then don't forget how people are influenced by topic interest, competition, and seasonality. Topic interest: are you choosing a popular or unique topic? Competition: are there other videos on the topic that they could watch? And seasonality: can you change content to match different interests during the years? The last one, learn more from an expert on YouTube recommendations. Thank you very much.